How to make decreases. To make a single crochet decrease, we will work 2 stitches together to make 1 single crochet. So insert your hook into the first stitch, grab a yarn and pull up a loop. Then insert your hook again directly into the next stitch. Grab a yarn and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now you have your first decrease. Continue making decreases according to your pattern.